First of all, I must say hats off to you. Lots of people enroll lots of free courses and they never even get to complete the half of those. But you have completed the full course, almost full course, only a few more to go. So congratulations for your dedication for learning new things. As you already understand that this is a basic course on Figma, but if you want to learn the whole thing, the everything on Figma, then I have a paid course for you as well, where we have went through all the details, in-depth discussion coupled with practical examples on Figma and everything related to UI UX.
In that course, we have covered grid systems, responsive UI design, multidimensional component variants, dynamic buttons, advanced level prototyping using Figma, and the list goes on. And we have covered everything coupled with practical examples as well.
We also showed a full project with interactive prototyping on the paid course. And the best part is you get to submit a project for a peer review from us after you complete the course. And finally, you will be the part of our forum where you can post your ideas, issues, and problems, and you will get a good feedback from others as well.
Besides that, we also have a YouTube channel where we post videos on website design and development, WordPress, and Figma, and everything else. You can subscribe to that channel for free resources anytime.
So, if you want to enroll to our paid program, you can go to our website and find the link right there. And you can also check the description below for the link as well. So, without further ado, let's go to the next chapter and complete this free course.